In this video I'm going to show you how to stop snaps from saving to your camera roll. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Snapchat app and then hit at your profile picture, and now tap at that gear icon to open up the settings. Now here you have to find memories, and there you can add save destinations section, hit add save button, and there you can set up what will happen when you tap the save button while editing a snap. So there by default it saves to memories and camera roll, and you can switch it to memories or to just camera roll. And also you can go back, and here you can set up autosave my story snaps. You can hit on that and switch this option to autosave to memories or to don't autosave. And there is one more option, it calls save to my eyes only. By default you can enable that option, and anything saved to memories will go into my eyes only. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.